Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at where you can see your sheets information on your parts and sheet panel. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za, and we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the tutorial here. So now the information for your sheets works very similar to the information for your parts, but it has a few different settings. So as you guys can see here on our bottom left here, we've got one called sheets. I'll just zoom in, and then we also have the sheets available. So now once again, like on top, you can also select if you have multiple ones. But then from the options here, we've got thickness, so you can look at what's your current thickness of your material or your sheet. Then also the material itself, so we can see this is steel, and then we've got used area, so what is currently being used and what is being used overall. So now what we can do is we have to look at this used area. Let's say I grab one of these blocks, then if I delete the part, we will see that value change. It's a bit small, so I don't know if you'll see it, but as you can see, they went from 222 to 142. So we can simply just add that part again, and then next to that we've got the used. Now if I had to add, let's say quite a large shape, we can see this number change. So I'll go add part, throw it in there, and then we can see it has increased quite a lot. So this works in percentage, so we can see, okay, we're currently using 43% of our sheet. So when you are actually utilizing and finalizing your design, you can make sure you squeeze in as much as you can, and then you can come over here and see how much of it are you currently using. So to make sure you don't waste space, you can really tighten up things here. But yeah, that is it on the information on your sheet. So just a quick recap again. We've got the thickness, material, used area, and used. Like the thickness of material, you can also see kind of under parts, but these are more for what these parts are meant for. So if they are meant for aluminium, it's going to say it over here, and this is your actual, at the bottom here, your actual sheet that's currently active. So yeah, that is it on the sheets information. Before we head to the next, if we go to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.